Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're making a barbecue shepherd's pie. Well, it is a barbecue shepherd's pie. I don't know. The other day at work, I had my thinking cap on and I said, I haven't had a shepherd's pie in a while. And I was saying, I got all this pulled pork. Let me try something. Let me try something different. Well, I never had it, never heard of it before. It's my first time making it. I was really brainstorming on what I could put in this because it's not going to be a traditional shepherd's pie. So, thank you for joining me today on this new adventure. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I got the small Pyrex tray right here, pan going on, and I went ahead and I cut all my pulled pork into small pieces. So, the filler. Now, today I'm going to go with, I got these roasted green chilies. They were actually canned, but I'm going to put these in. And I got some frozen corn. Now, this corn has little pieces of bell pepper in it, so I thought that would be cool. So we're gonna go with this corn. I'm just gonna throw this off to the side for now. And I got some green onion. Green onion is always good. I'm just gonna throw this in here. So right now we're just making our filling. Now, when I do traditional shepherd's pie, I normally will use a little tomato sauce or a little tomato paste. But with this, I'm going with Sweet Baby Ray's Honey Barbecue. I'm going to give this a whirl. Well, all I'm going to do is just kind of mix it up a little bit. I don't want to add too much of the barbecue sauce right away. Could always add more. That's the same with the corn and the onions too. So, mix it in. Definitely need some more barbecue sauce. I'm just going to start folding this over. Nice, nice. Now I think with our corn and our onions we might be good. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna add some more. Throw another handful of corn in here. Bam. Little handful of green onion. Yeah, this is gonna be good. I'm gonna go with a little bit more sauce here. Now, since this is my first time making it, I can't recommend anything to you guys on this one. However, I've been thinking about this for a couple days. You know, what to put in, what kind of sauce to use. And this is what I came up with. Alright, so that looks pretty good, man. That looks like a pretty good filling right there. What I'm going to do at this point is just, I'm just going to smooth it out. Nice. Alright, so we got the potatoes on there. I'm just going to start smoothing this out. That's it. Just want to cover everything, get a nice coating on everything. You gotta add some more potatoes. Good, good. I made enough potatoes, so I'm happy. All right. So, let's see. Now, if I lift that up, I could see, it's almost 50-50. But you know what? I'm gonna ride with this right here. And all I'm gonna do, let's see. Got a little extra credit right here. I'm gonna go with some little shredded cheddar on top. Nice, nice. Just put it all on there. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. And let's see. Let's give this a little yeah. All right. So that's it. I'm gonna put it on the fire. All right, guys, back in action over here. We're up around 400. Now, anyone who's cooking on the kettle, put all the coals in the back. I'm doing indirect. This is how I want it. There you go. Look at that. That's it. Well, I'm just gonna close this up. Now remember, everything is cooked in here. We're just heating it up, basically. So what I'm gonna look for is some browning of the potatoes. Once the edges start getting a little dark, that'll be good. Now, whenever you're cooking on a kettle, I recommend having the top vent over your meat, over whatever you're cooking. If you have it on the opposite side, the heat is just gonna escape from that side. Especially if you got some wood in there and you're trying to flavor it up a little bit. So you kind of want the fire to burn and kind of force it to come over here, force the heat over here to escape. But, all right, we're gonna give it a couple minutes and we're gonna check on it. All right, guys, so it's at the half-hour mark. It's coming out very, very nicely. Got some nice browning around here, around the sides. You can see it's bubbling up right here. That's good. Also got a burger on for my daughter. She's not a potato fan. I can't understand it. I mean, she's part Irish after all, but anyway. All right, we're gonna let this go for another like 5-10 minutes. All right, guys, we're back. I'm gonna pull this. It's got some nice browning around the sides. I'm happy. So that's it. It's done. All right, guys. So, bam. Here we are. It looks good. Doesn't look too much different from when we put it on, but it's cooked. So, let's see. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put a little leftover green onion. I'm gonna put it on here for a little garnish. Color it up a little bit. That's it. Just a little bit, you know. There you go. And I'm gonna put a little black pepper on. Just a little bit. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. All right. Now, this is still hot. So, this is going to get all messy. But, I'm going to try it. I'm going to go for a little piece right here. Oh, here we go. Alright, it's definitely a little messy. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is a first for me. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that very good. It's definitely messy. I cut it when it was hot. Definitely let it cool down. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see if the flavors are there. Wow, that was good. Very good. Try it out, guys. Let me know what you think. Hey, leave a comment. Do you guys like shepherd's pie? I do. I like it with lamb. Very good, very good. But, guys, click on one of the videos that's going to be up top. Tell me how you like shepherd's pie. Try this out. You know, there's so much you can do with leftover pulled pork. I just thought this was going to be a good idea. And I think my wife's going to like it. So, I'm happy. But, alright guys, until next time, enjoy barbecuing. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to barbecue, but there's good and bad barbecue.